Hello lovers of Ubukizi fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transform your boring hairs into these beautiful amazing coils you see here. So let's get started. So first you're going to use your oil and your heat protector to just make sure you massage your hair thoroughly. So I kind of forgot to record the part when I began the process, so I just wanted to show you what you're going to do with your hair oil and your heat protector. So you're going to section your hair and then you're going to massage each section with oil. Then you're going to cut tiny portion which you're going to work with, especially if you're using small coils. And in order to straighten your hair and have the best results, make sure your clamp is facing upwards and you're pulling towards yourself. So when you do it this way, you're going to notice that the hair is just going to naturally rotate towards you, as you can see in the video. So there's actually a detailed tutorial on how to do this, and it's up on my YouTube page, so you can check it out if you didn't understand the technique in this particular video. I'm going to hold so the heat can penetrate the hair, and then you're going to just check to make sure the heat has gone through the hair before you release. So for smooth coils, you're going to make sure you tilt your coiling iron so that way the hair will just easily glide out. And then after doing this, for longer lasting coils, you're going to use a pin to hold it in place, and then you're going to spray your holding glue, even though I didn't have that available at the moment. But that's just what you do if you need lasting coils. And you can pin the hair and leave it till you're done with your entire hair, then you take it out. That way the curls are going to last longer. So after doing that, you should have something like this. So we're going to do another one so you can understand the process. So clamp facing up. I just like to smoothen out the hair. Clamp facing up, and then you rotate towards you, and as you can see, the hair is just naturally going to glide towards your direction, and then you repeat and you work your way through. So that's basically it. After doing that, you're going to hold for some time so the heat can get through the hair, and then you're going to check to make sure everything is warm and hot. Then you're going to release. Always remember, you slide your coiling iron, you slant it, and then the hair glides down. So that's it, as you can see. And then you release. So that's basically it. So I'm going to speed up the remaining part so I don't waste a lot of your time. So I'm just basically repeating it in sections. So guys, this coiler I won't recommend. My coiler had some issues, so I had to use this one, but I won't recommend this coiler for business, for professional use. However, for personal use I can recommend this because the coiler is kind of like 2-in-1. It has a straightener and then the coiler, so that's it. So here's what our hair is looking like so far, and here's what it's looking like after. So we're just going to arrange our C parts and just make sure it's looking beautiful and all of that. So yeah, I'm using my hot comb and my hair wax to do this. So after that, I'm just going to remove my baby hairs, which is optional, by the way. Guys, my lighting was really bad at this point, so I apologize for that. So yeah. So after laying our edges and all of that, here's what our hair looks like. As you can see, the curls came out so perfect. I didn't comb it out because I wanted this look. So you can always use a white tooth comb to comb out your curls, but I prefer to maintain it with this look for this particular week. So yeah, that's it. So here's what our hair is looking like after being installed. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and make sure you check out my other videos. I do post amazing tutorials for beginners. Bye.